Well, day 2 for the porch. Out of here. Tools. Had to go get material. We got late yesterday, so I didn't get finished. Pretty much a start over. These older porch boards that I had are just not working. I couldn't get it to line up, so we went and got new. We're going to pull all those out of there and all new. They didn't have 8-footers, 12-footers. $17 a piece. It's real pricey. So we'll get this jack back up. And here's the cat box. Okay. Make contact. Here's the metal plate that I got from the blacksmith. Painted it yesterday. See, this little edge would dig into the wood right here, cause wood failure. So hence that. Looks like we're fairly good there. Okay, there's one. Nicely snug up. Alright, got the boards in. And I got my black helper today, mocha. Yesterday was Greg. So anyway, we're going to cut these boards here and trim them up. I'm going to set this post down and level it up. So that is a patch. Go. There's Greg, my helper from yesterday, checking everything out. Down we go. never seen this lower relief valve. Press the ball jack all the way. Take it back up for the next time's use. Get rid of this. Look out, kitties. All that's left is we're going to come out and run into that. We'll cut that, draw a line, just grab it, cut those off. And I may cut these. I go at the shop and get a handsaw, cut those. I don't want to take my circular saw down into brick covered with stucco. I'll give you the finished product here in a little bit. Oh, there's Martin, the yellow one. Hey, Martin. Meow. Meow. You gonna come talk to the camera again? You gonna say hi? Oh, you know what I'm doing. Putting the base plate back down. And there's 4 little screws. Go down under the wood. Hold it. Okay. There they are. I painted them white. Just to hide them a little bit. Okay. Compressor. Get this thing plugged in. I'm sure it will chase the kitties away. See my 2 little helpers? What's up, Martin? He's great. For some reason, Martin doesn't like me anymore. I just stepped on him one too many times. Nothing seems to bother Greg. Now then, finish nailer. Our horse likes its water. That's going. Oh, progress. Get my nails on first. There you go. Put on the nails. Anyway, you can see how the old porch is loose. There we go. You can see how it stiffened it up. It won't last. This porch never does. About the word umpteenth time I've worked on this. I've driven screws, pop screws. Anyway, when it's going to be warmer for a longer period of time, I'll get out here and lift that trim plate up, and we will paint the whole porch. I'm going to sand the whole thing. I got a big rotary sander. I'm going to sand it all down, make it look nice. So there you have it. Porch repair 101. Is the horse going to come out and play with the cats? I think so. There's Greg, his buddy, the white one. Alright. Now to clean up my mess. Put everything away.